Hey everyone, so today I thought I would do another what I eat in a day as a student. So today university has actually been cancelled because of the snow. We don't really have very much here compared to other places, but it's still been cancelled, which means I've got a day at home doing some work. I've already had breakfast this morning, so I had some mini chocolate Weetabix and a cup of tea. This is actually quite a different breakfast for me. I thought it was like a little treat breakfast, which is quite sad that Weetabix is a treat breakfast. But the chocolate ones are so good, and I was like, it's cold and snowy outside and I've got an essay to write, kind of need that treat breakfast. So I treated myself to those mini Weetabix and they were good. And yeah, that is everything I've eaten so far today. I asked in my last what I eat in a day video whether you prefer like the chatty ones or the more kind of just filming what I eat, and the general response I got was chatty ones, so that is what today is going to be. And yeah, it's currently about 12 o'clock. I think I might make soup for lunch because one of my housemates just mentioned it and now I really fancy soup. And considering it is cold and snowy outside, I feel like nothing is better than hot soup and freshly baked bread. So I think that might be the plan for lunch, but I'm gonna get on with some essay and then see what I fancy. So I'm still not hungry enough for lunch, but I am very cold. So I've just made myself a cup of green tea. This one is a green tea with blueberry and raspberry from Tesco, and it's really good. That soup was really good. I tried to film as much of it as possible, but my kitchen was quite busy and things. But it was a sweet potato, red pepper and coconut soup. It is literally my favourite soup ever. So good on a day like this. And then we just threw those like bake your own bread roll kind of things into the oven and had that with it. I might put the recipe up on the screen now so you can screenshot it if you're interested in trying it out. And it's really good, I definitely recommend. I'm currently staring out at all the snow, which Exeter just doesn't get snow, and we've got so much of it. We've got a red warning, which is a bit mad. So that soup was definitely needed. Hot soup when it is cold outside, there is literally like nothing better. Third cup of tea of the day in the making, which is very much needed because look how much snow we've got. It is honestly so thick out there. So I'm making a cup of tea to warm me up. So excuse the makeupless face, but it's now like 6:20 and I'm gonna go down to make some dinner. So tonight I'm making a lasagna, which I don't think I've made at all since living in this house, so like 1.5 years. But I'm gonna make a veggie lasagna using like veggie mince and some vegetables and stuff like that, which I'm very excited about because it's a very like warming, homely meal. And it's definitely needed when it is snowing outside. Okay, so it turns out I'm actually really hungry, so I'm gonna eat this tiny amount of leftover hummus that I made the other day. It's a roasted red pepper hummus and it's really good, so I will link the recipe down below. And then I'm having this measly amount of tortilla chips with it because that's all that's left, just to tide me over until dinner is ready. So that is the filling pretty much done. I've just put it on a low heat while I make the white sauce. So to make that I'm using butter, milk and some flour. I'm basically just gonna melt some of the butter, add the flour until it's like a thick paste, and then gradually add the milk until it's like a creamy sauce. I always underestimate how long dinner is gonna take to cook, and I think it's now like 7 and I'm so hungry, and it still has to go in the oven, which is obviously gonna be like 40 minutes. And I still need to make the white sauce, so fingers crossed that goes well. But it's smelling really good, so that's a good sign. The lasagna has been constructed. I don't have any vegan cheese, unfortunately, otherwise I would have definitely put some on the top. But I'm hoping that the white sauce maybe bubbles up and acts like cheese. I'm not really sure. I wish I had some, but I don't. So gonna shove this in the oven now for probably about 40 minutes. Lasagna is done. Definitely would have looked a million times better with some cheese on the top. It kind of just looks really like weird and wrinkly. but hopefully it will taste good. I haven't actually made anything to go with it, so I'm literally just going to have it with some spinach. Probs should have made a salad or garlic bread or something, but I'm honestly just so hungry now. I just need to eat something, so I'm very happy with just some lasagna and spinach. It is now time for pudding, so I'm going to have some of this banana bread that I made the other day. It is real good, so I will link the recipe down in the description, and I'm tempted to have some with some Ben & Jerry's. So we've got this Ben & Jerry's, which is the peanut butter and cookies one, which was actually on offer for like £2 the other day, which is an absolute bargain. And I think this is so much nicer than the fudge brownie one if you've tried that one. I'd recommend this one. It's got like actual chunks of Oreo in and loads of peanut butter, and it goes really well with the banana bread. That banana bread with the ice cream was so good. I definitely recommend A, making the banana bread, B, buying the Ben & Jerry's ice cream. Both amazing, together even better. I think that might be my favourite ice cream ever. It's so good, and they're so generous with like the chunks of stuff that it's amazing. But that is the last thing that I'm going to be eating today. If you want to see more videos like this or more food videos in general, please let me know in a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, bye!